In our latest market wrap, we'll share a few insights into what's happened in the marketplace during the 2017-2018 financial year for both sales and rentals. We'll also look forward to what we can expect over the horizon, focusing in on Chelmer through to Oxley, the centenary suburbs and Indooroopilly west out to Bellbowrie, including Kenmore and Chapel Hill. Briefly, we'll check in and compare Brisbane to other markets, including Melbourne and Sydney, and how the market is vastly different down south compared to what we're experiencing here at home. So if this sounds interesting to you, stay tuned, turn up the volume and enjoy. Hi, I'm Brad Robson, the sales manager here at Place Graceville, and on behalf of the entire team, welcome to our end of financial year market wrap. It's fair to say that the 2017-18 financial year has been kind to us here at Place Graceville, and I'd like to start this video by thanking our amazing clients. With a total of 198 sales for the year, we've met and helped more buyers, more sellers, more landlords and more tenants than anyone else locally. According to Rate My Agent, our office made it into the #1 spot for local agencies conducting the most business over the financial year. The new financial year is upon us, and although sellers seem to be in hibernation, buyers certainly aren't. The winter months have seen less people bringing their home to the market, causing an increase in the amount of competition from buyers in the marketplace. Now, this is good news for sellers that are choosing to act now rather than waiting for the traditional spring rush, as the increased competition is ensuring that they're getting great results with less time on the market. Looking at the year that was, according to the REIQ Queensland Market Monitor, the median annual house price here in Brisbane is up to a record high of $670,000, up 3.1%, just another example of Brisbane's steady, consistent performance. Oxley was the local suburb that saw the massive change over the past financial year. They went from 138 sales down to 86. Now that's down a whopping 38%. However, their median sale price was up from $543,000 to $580,000. Now that's an increase of 7%. Indooroopilly was similar, with a reduction in sales down from 125 to 94, a 25% reduction, yet the median price was up from $813,000 to $997,500. The story was similar across the board, with the majority of suburbs that we service showing comparable results. As the southern markets continue to cool, Brisbane has bucked the trend, with lower listing volumes and greater competition driving that price growth. Significant factors that have underpinned the continued growth of the Brisbane market are steady population growth, as well as strong economic fundamentals, such as increased employment and infrastructure investment. The falling listing volumes are going to be an issue for this market, as they're down 6.4% compared with March 2017. Homes for sale is currently sitting at extremely low levels, meaning that buyers have to move fast, and there's no doubt that this fall in homes for sale is causing a lot of frustration for buyers. On top of that, according to census data, Queensland has now become the #1 destination for internal migration, taking over from Victoria. Also, our overseas migration is at the highest level in years, which means demand for accommodation will continue. Increases in population growth over the past 2 years have been largely led by migration. In 2017, an estimated 31,000 people migrated to Queensland from overseas, an increase of 64% compared to 2015. Whilst interstate migration has also increased an impressive 159% over the same period. First home buyers here in Queensland have had some bittersweet news with the First Home Owners Grant. They have extended it for another 12 months, however has been reduced down to $15,000, and it wasn't extended to established homes. Now, although we've seen downward pressure on weekly rent prices, we don't expect this to last. The rental market is currently operating in a very healthy range, with vacancies at about 3.1%. And given the increase in demand, we expect this downward trend to reverse in the near future. All in all, it's been a strong 12 months for the property market. If there's anything we can do to help you property related, please don't hesitate to get in touch with a member of my hard-working and dedicated team on 3379 4311. If you're feeling social, connect with us on Facebook or Instagram. We've got loads of great content going up weekly.